Thank you for coming. Today we are going to see what Pechakucha means. What is this? How to do it? How to use it in your classroom? It's a very special kind of presentations. Okay, first of all, this is my first presentation in English, so maybe you will listen some Spanish words. Don't worry, you can translate at the end because I can't stop during the presentation. And normally my Spanish and English are very close, so one hola is one hello. Okay. During the presentation, I will need a helper. Okay, so here's my helper. Danny, that's so sweaty and dirty. Please, can we do something? Okay, that's it. So, you will help me during the presentation. We will use the whiteboard too. Okay, and this kind of whiteboard? Okay, that's it. So, we clean it up. What's Pechakucha? Pechakucha is a presentation with 20 slides and 20 seconds per slide. It can't stop, has to go through all the time, and it's very dynamic, as you can see. It was invented by Astrid and Michael. Doesn't matter, but it's important that they were architects. They invent this kind of presentation because, like teachers, during the presentation in architecture, they talk and talk and talk. Okay, so they had too much talking. They had to close the time. They said, maximum has been 6 minutes. In 6 minutes, you have time enough to explain something that maybe you can develop later on. And it's very good to use with your student, for example. Okay. What's a good Pechakucha? Good Pechakucha is a tale, it's a history that you are storytelling during your presentation. Okay? So, if you want to teach your students to do a good Pechakucha, they have to tell. A Pechakucha slide could be just one word, or maybe one picture, or somebody moving. But you have to try not to distract the people from your speech. That, come on, Danny, go away, go away. We have to look for the simplicity. We have to look for the message. And we have to focus on something that we want to explain. We don't want to be going around like Danny with his thing. So try to do something to focus. One of the keys to have a good presentation, a good Pechakucha, is the passion. Okay? So, like Danny, he's passionate by the Donkey Shot. That's so passion. Danny, passion. This is not passion. This you're whistling. Yes, passion. Yeah. This kind of passion is what you give your presentation, good presentation. This is how to set your presentation. You have the PowerPoint, you have to go to transitions, set the time, it's 20 seconds, and apply to other slides. Thank you, Danny. Okay, so it's very easy to set the time. Don't worry because I will send you the presentation so you can see at home. Okay, so now take it seriously. This is just using my team. This is my slide. Seriously, Danny, seriously. Okay. That's it. Okay. Good. Okay. So, possibilities. At the end of the Pechakucha, so the idea is that you can do a little Pechakucha home or about your subject. So, the possibilities is up to you. Okay. Normally, we can say that there are endless possibilities. It's up to the speaker. One thing that is so important during your presentation is the coherence. The coherence, your speech, everything has to be connected because it's so little time, so you need to connect all your ideas. Second thing that is so important is the speech. Like you see, I'm not stopping, I'm using all the time. We're connecting ideas. That's so important for us. Not to talk too much, just to connect the ideas. And that's very important because normally the student don't know how to connect well every part. You have to use your imagination. The imagination is very important during the Pechakuchas. Even not only for videos, but you can use every picture that is related with your concept. Okay? Thank you, Danny. Next thing that's very important during the process is the creativity. Okay? The creativity is the key that you can work very well with Pechakuchas, because you ask for something, you don't put the limits. So they can do in this format wherever they want. So maybe it could be a stop motion, like a little girl. So this is a 21st century presentation. This is how in 19th century they thought we will be now. So we don't need to fly in this kind of weird things. It's just to try to be a little bit different. Okay, so Danny, thank you for your job. You have to tidy up a little bit. This is my classroom. I have to do it. Okay, thank you. Please just think about this. This is just to sit some ideas in your mind. You can do it. It's not hard. It just take time. You need to practice, and just to practice a lot. This is I think I practiced like 2 times. So you need to practice. The student need to practice, and that's what I like most. That is not something that I can read. They have to practice to do it at home. Okay. So thank you. That's all.